Hey yeah, it's Angeline here. Today I'm gonna show you something fun that I've painted in, and of course it is rainbows. And you know I love my rainbows. So first I've already stamped this beautiful stamp called Hanging Botanicals by Gracefully Design and Unity Stamp. And I'm grabbing my metallic accents watercolors by Prima Marketing, and I'm just spritzing some water right into the pen first to get it activated. And I'm just grabbing a water brush and just starting off with the yellow here and just painting diagonally across my card to create this rainbow color. So you just paint according to the color wheel here so that the colors do not clash and make muddy colors. So it's kind of easy because all you got to do is just follow the colors in the pen and just paint according to the sequence of the colors. So you may be asking, Angeline, what are you trying to do? Because you're coloring up the entire stem with the watercolors, but look at that! When you tilt it at the right direction and the angle and it catches the light, you can see the stem, and in real, trust me, it looks so pretty with all the metallic accents. So now that the watercolor is all dried up, as you can see, I've added some white accents to the stamp by using my favorite white gel ink pen by Sakura called the Jelly Roll. So all you gotta do is just color the stamp where it is, and it kind of create a masking, but you can still see the nice watercolors in the background. So here it is on how it looks like with the white gel ink, and here's my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this really colorful technique today, and thanks for watching. Bye!